In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in ClickUp. We'll be using ClickUp's mind map feature to build a clear visual flow of your process, so you can see how tasks connect and depend on each other. First, open your workspace and go to the list view that contains the tasks or area you want to map out. This is important because the mind map you're about to create will be attached to this specific list and its context. At the top of your screen, look for the option labeled View and click on it. This is where ClickUp keeps different ways of visualizing your work, like board, calendar, and in our case, mind map. From the list of available views, click on mind map. ClickUp will now create a mind map view for this list. You'll be prompted to give this mind map a name. Type in a name that clearly describes what this flowchart represents. For example, the name of a project or process. When you're happy with the name, click on Close to save and exit the naming box. Next, make sure you're in freeform mode within the mind map. Freeform gives you the flexibility to arrange your boxes anywhere on the canvas, which is ideal when you're building a flowchart style diagram rather than a strict hierarchical map. Click on Freeform to switch to this mode if it's not already active. On the canvas, you'll see a central box that usually says something like Start Here. Click on that central box to begin customizing your flowchart. Rename it to whatever represents the starting point of your process, such as New Request Received or Project Kickoff. Press Enter to confirm the new name. Now, with that central task box selected, look for the small plus icon attached to it. Click the plus icon to add a new connected task box. This new box will become the next step in your flow. Type in a descriptive name for that step, then repeat the process. Click the central or any existing task box, hit the plus icon again, and name each new box. Continue doing this as many times as you need until you've captured all the main steps. If you want to branch out from a step you've already created, just click on that existing task box and use its plus icon to add another box connected specifically to it. This is how you create multiple paths, decision points, or sub-steps in your flowchart, building a more detailed and realistic process map. You can zoom in and out using the zoom controls on the canvas. Zooming out is helpful for seeing the big picture, while zooming in lets you focus on editing specific parts of your flowchart. Finally, in the top right corner of the mind map, click on the task type dropdown. Here, you can change the type of items you're adding, choosing from options like task, milestone, contact, form response, or meeting note. This lets you visually distinguish different types of elements within your flowchart, giving you a richer and more informative map